Assalamualaikum. Today I will show you how to install SHAREIT on your computer. Type SHAREIT free download on Google. Open first website Softonic and press free download. When it starts downloading, there will be a pop-up screen. Save file and wait for completion of download. Open the setup file and install it in your computer, like I am doing that. Run the file. Follow my steps. When the installation is finished, open it. A pop-up screen will show up. After following my steps, you have successfully installed SHAREIT on your computer. This software helps you to share files wirelessly between two devices, whether it is iPhone or Android, to Windows or MacBook. Thanks.